Next one, point to remember. Depending upon the chemical composition, matter is classified into elements, compounds, and mixture. Elements and compounds are considered to be pure substance as they contain only one kind of particle, whereas mixes certain more than one type of particle and they are considered impure substance. In a homogeneous mixture, true solution is the components are uniformly mixed and it will have single phase. A heterogeneous mixture are not mixed thoroughly or uniformly and it will have more than single phase. Based on particle size, heterogeneous mixtures can be classified as colloid, solution and suspension. Next one, glossary. Elements. A substance composed of atoms having an identical number of proton in each nucleus. It is called element. This is the answer for one word. Compounds, a pure macroscopically homogeneous substance consisting of atom or ion of two or more different elements in definite proportion. Mixture, a composition of two or more substances that are not chemically combined with each other and are capable of being separated. Next one, solution. Homogeneous mixture composed of two or more substances. It is called a solution. What is colloid? A system in which finely divided particles which are approximately 1 to 1000 millimicron in size are dispersed within a continuous medium in a manner that prevents them from being filtered easily or settled rapidly. This means colloid. What is suspension? A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which solute-like particles settled out of a solvent-like phase sometime after their instruction. Next one, emulsion. A colloid in which both phases are liquid and oil in water emulsion. Absorption. Process by which atoms, molecules or ions enter a bulk phase, liquid, gas, solid. Adsorption. Achieve of atom, ion or molecule from a gas, liquid or dissolved solid to a surface. Centrifugation. Sedimentation of particles under the influence of the centrifugal force and it is used for separating of superfine suspension. Students, now the class is over and study the homework.